Here are 10 ChatGPT YouTube hacks that feel illegal to know. Did you know you can use ChatGPT to give you ideas for new YouTube videos? Say we're a baking YouTube channel, we can quickly ask ChatGPT to give us 10 new ideas around the topic of cupcakes. Coming up with ideas faster means we can make videos faster, which means we can grow quicker than other creators in our niche. Here's a sneaky little feature. We can take any idea that we already have and have ChatGPT improve it into new ideas likely to get over 1 million views. When our video ideas are better, we just get more views than anyone else. This is great for me because I suck at coming up with viral video ideas. Hack number 3, once you have your video idea, you can have ChatGPT actually write the title for your video. Here's 5 title suggestions that ChatGPT generated instantly on an idea I had for that baking channel. Coming up with titles quicker means that you can make your videos quicker, which means that you can make more videos, which means that you can get more views. Are you using any hacks like this yourself? Let me know in the comments exactly how you're using ChatGPT. Here's another sneaky feature. You can take your previous YouTube titles and get ChatGPT to make them more viral, which can be the difference between your video getting thousands of views to millions of views. More clicks on your titles equals more views. Next tip, you can get ChatGPT to give you thumbnail ideas for any title that you've settled on. Finding thumbnail inspiration quicker is going to speed up the whole video creation process, which means you'll be able to get more views on your channel, totaling more views overall. Did you know you can also have ChatGPT write you completely new scripts from scratch once you give it a video title? And when you have ChatGPT making your viral titles, your thumbnail ideas, your scripts from scratch, there's only 2 more things you need to be successful on YouTube. 1, you need to sell products through your YouTube videos to maximize your earnings, which you can learn how to do by grabbing my free guide. And 2, you need to maximize the watch time of each video you make so that YouTube will promote your videos to as many people as possible. For that, you can use the sneaky trick of having ChatGPT improve your scripts. You can ask ChatGPT to put more stories into your scripts, and it will create a completely new script for you. You can give ChatGPT a paragraph from your scripts and ask it to rewrite it to include more creative words. You can ask it to make sections of your script more interesting. You can even ask ChatGPT to act as an award-winning storyteller to take your scripts to the next level. And this is all super useful for me personally because I also suck hard when it comes to writing scripts. Next tip, you can have ChatGPT make your scripts simpler. Here I've asked it to rewrite my script so that a 10-year-old can understand it, and this is a real power tip. Making your scripts simpler means that a larger amount of people are going to understand them, which means that your videos are going to connect with a wider audience. More viewers watching your videos for longer at a time means that YouTube's going to promote your videos to more people and get you more views overall. The next tip is you can use ChatGPT to speed up the amount of time it takes you to research your competitors. All you have to do is find a video on YouTube similar to what you're planning on making, paste the link to that video into YouTubetranscripts.com, which will give you the complete script to that successful YouTube video. You can then paste sections of that YouTube video script into ChatGPT and have ChatGPT bullet point summarize that script for you, massively shortening the amount of time it takes you to research competitor videos to make sure that you've not missed anything out of your video. There's a potential downside to using ChatGPT that I've realized that I want to mention just before I get into hack number 10. If everyone starts using ChatGPT in the same way, we're going to get thousands of similar videos popping up in every niche on YouTube, all saying the same thing. And if your videos aren't standing out from other people's, you're not going to get high views. So I'm making sure that I'm always adding my own original ideas and thoughts to anything that ChatGPT gives me to avoid this problem, and I just recommend that you do the same thing too. I'm sure there are plenty of other downsides to ChatGPT. Share any that you know in the comments and I might make a video on them in the future. But back to benefits, once you've finished making your YouTube video, you can even have ChatGPT write out the description text for you. ChatGPT is clearly great for YouTubers to save time and find inspiration when you're in those creative ruts. I'm now using it all the time, and I think it's important for you to use it too if you want to maintain that edge over other people in your niche. Speaking of that, here's a sneaky way to get more views on your YouTube shorts that I found recently that I didn't see anyone else talking about, so make sure to watch that video next. And subscribe to the channel to keep tabs on new ways that I find to get more views and sales on YouTube and save time.